Hello everyone, good day. This is Angel Zhou. In this video, we wish to introduce you our wooden spoon logo branding machine. It is widely applied in the wooden spoon, fork, knife branding. This machine is designed for branding flat-shaped product. It is branding the product before hot pressing. Thank you for watching our video. For this machine, it can be designed according to your product size and also your logo content. The fitting speed of this machine can be adjusted. Our company is a professional machine supplier for the wooden spoon fork making machines. If you wish to set up a complete line for making wooden spoon fork and knife, welcome to contact us. We will send you very detailed project proposal and price list. If you have any questions regarding our machine and the whole production line, welcome to contact us. We will reply you as soon as possible. Welcome to email us. Thank you.